Hi, in this lecture we are going to learn about the Apple Watch architecture. This is the key part that explains how the watch works in harmony with an iPhone. The first thing you need to understand is that Apple Watch doesn't support any standalone applications. Every Apple Watch will be an extension of its parent app on the iPhone. So the code you write exists as two different pieces. One piece on the Apple Watch that will have the view elements and the static image files, and the other piece exists in the iPhone. It will control the logic execution and give instructions to update the view as necessary. Interestingly, this architecture can be imagined similar to the brain-body relation. In simple cases like dancing, the brain continuously gives sequential instructions on how to move the body parts, which is equivalent to changing the display of the Apple Watch screen. In more complex scenarios, the brain gets inputs from the body, it processes those inputs, executes some logics, and gives instructions back to each part on how to move or take action. Similarly, an event that happens in the Apple Watch application, example a button tap, will trigger a sequence of logical steps in the parent app in the iPhone. After executing the steps, the iPhone can send back instructions to update the Apple Watch display with the result, example a message send notification. This pattern of programming, in which the view and the controller are created as two different entities rather than at a single place, is called as Model View Controller or MVC pattern. Actually, you might notice that there is also a third part called model. Model roughly means the database, that is the data storage location. In our example, the model is located with the controller itself, which is the iPhone. MVC pattern is a simple yet powerful pattern followed very often while developing applications. This enables you to keep the business logic separate from the view, so that whenever you have a new view like the Apple Watch today or an Apple Sticky Notes tomorrow, you don't have to rewrite the business logic inside the view again. This is all for you to understand about the MVC pattern. Now that you have mastered this pattern, let's go to the next lecture and learn about the different view elements that are available in the Apple Watch. Bye!